Hey everyone, this is filler 1 for the mini fridge from Miss Felicia Sanderson. 25 at 1. Spot 1 gets 5 spots on the main. Copy the list. Go live. 11:18. Rolling over to 11:19. Let that catch up. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 11:19. We have a 3. That won't work. And we have a 9. 11:19. 25 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we still have 25 items on the list. Mr. Ryan Miles is on the top. Miss Tina Gatwood is on the bottom. Randomize 8 times. The dice call for a 9. 11:19. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 15. Miss Tina Gatwood is the winner. Congrats, Miss Tina. 25 items on the list. 9 times. The dice call for a 9. Your verified code. And we are done at 11:19, rolling over to 11:20. Thanks, everyone.